Hello everyone, I am Rishit Garg from grade 7. I studying in grade 7 public school Rohana Road, Sarthawal. I am sharing these two items. First, I have replaced my plastic pen holder with this cardboard pen holder. Second, instead of using plastic folder of polythene for keeping my paper or document, I keep them in my paper bag and I have designed. So paper bag is a sustainable product. Thank you.
This good day, respected elder and my dear friend. My name is Devan Zanik. I study in 7th in Kirsan Public School. Today, I want to tell you two such things which I have replaced with plastic. First, let's start. I have used a plastic spoon for eating, but now I have changed into a steel spoon. This keep me safe on plastic. And second things, I have used a plastic glass for drink a water, but now I have changed into a steel glass. Things keep me safe on plastic. Thanks.
Hello everyone, I am Vaishnavi and I am make this paper bag and it replaced from this polythene bag. This is very useful for us and save our environment. Polythenes are very harmful for us and it is not decomposed easily. Next I have this cloth bag and I am make this from old and waste cloth. I am replace it from this polythene bag. This is not useful for us and this is very harmful, and the strength of this bag is more than polythene bag. So I request you, please don't use plastic. Thank you.
Respected elders and my dear friends, my name is Divya Saini, a student of grade 9 in Kid 7 Public School. Today, I want to tell you two such things which I have replaced with plastic. First, I was using a plastic bag with paper, but now I was changed into a paper bag. They keep me safe on plastic. And second thing, I was using a plastic cup for drink a water, but I was changed into a glass cup. This keep me safe on plastic. Thank you and have a nice day.
Hello friends, I am Abdal Gol from grade 9. I study in Kids and Public School, Rohana Road, Charthawal. I have used a plastic spoon for eating, but now I have changed into a steel spoon. This tip means save on plastic. Inside or using plastic folder of polythene or keeping my paper or documents, I keep them in my paper bag and a distance, so paper bag is a sustainable product. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Alicia Malik from grade 9 in Kids 7 Public School, Rohana Road, Charthawal. Today I would like to share these two items which I have replaced with plastic. Instead of using plastic bag, folder of polythene bag, my papers and my documents, I keep them in my paper bag and I have designed. Instead of throwing away the plastic, I have replaced, instead of buying pencil kits and pencil boxes, I have recycled plastic and made pen holders. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Chitransh Garg from grade 9 and I am studying in Kids 7 Public School, Rohana Road, Charthawal. I am sharing with you these two items. First, I have replaced plastic clothes bag with this steel clothes bag. And second, earlier we used to use plastic containers in kitchen, but now we use steel containers. Thank you and have a nice day.
Hello, this is Krish Jain, grade 10, studying in Kids Science Public School, Rohana Road, Charthawan. So today I tell you two things that I replaced from plastic to steel. I have replaced my plastic dustpan to a steel dustpan. This is my steel dustpan. Because plastic is easily breakable and I want to forget the use of plastic. And the second is plastic bucket. I replaced my plastic bucket to steel bucket because this is my steel bucket. Because plastic bucket is easily stained with hard water, chemicals, then I don't use it.
Good afternoon everybody, I am Radhika Mittal, studying in Kids 7 Public School, Rohana Road, Charthawan. I have started using paper bags instead of polythene bags because plastic is dangerous and I want to reduce the uses. Next, I have this cloth kit which is more longer to last and safer than a plastic kit. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Avni Tyagi from grade 8, studying in Kids 7 Public School, Rohana Road, Charthawan. I am sharing these two items. Before I prefer using these items. Plastic book cover replaced with newspaper cover. I will replace because newspaper are generally believed to be recycled. Polythene bag replaced with cloth bag. Because cloth bags are easy to carry. And I want to avoid plastic products. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Sadaf Malik, studying in grade 8 from Kids 7 Public School, Rohana Road, Charthawan. Today I will like to sharing these two items. First, I have recycled the plastic bottle and made this beautiful pen holder. Instead of buying a pencil kits and pencil box, I have recycled plastic and made this beautiful pen holder. Look at this. Next, I have this paper bag that before I was using this, but now I prefer using this. Instead of using plastic folders of polythenes for keeping my papers, my notebooks and my documents, I keep them in my paper bag that I have designed. So paper bag is a sustainable product. So I request you to use paper bags instead of using plastic bags. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Ananya Mittal, a student of grade 10 studying in Kids 7 Public School. I have designed this paper bag instead of plastic bag. Paper bags are 100% biodegradable and reusable. Next, I have designed this pen holder instead of plastic pen holder. Cardboard has a good strength to weight ratio. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Ansh Chandril and I made this paper bag on the occasion of Paper Day. This paper bag made by me is very strong. To check this ability, we put in it these type of items. One by one, we kept it in it. First, we kept this phone. Then, this type of two box. And this notebook also. And this is. Okay, let me check. So friends, see, there is nothing problem in this bag. So,
hello everyone, I am Rishit Garg. On the occasion of Paper Bag Day, I have designed this paper bag. Thank you.
Hello, this is Ananya Mittal, a student of grade 10. Today I have designed this paper bag from waste material. This is the front of this bag. This is the back of this bag. Hope you like this. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Krish Jain and I made this paper bag on the very special occasion. This is the bag of my bag. and this is the front of my bag.
Hello everyone, my name is Zavitagi. This is my paper bag. I have designed this paper bag. Thank you.
Hello everyone. My name is Kanupriya Sharma. This is my paper bag. I designed this paper bag.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Radhika Mittal from grade 8. On this great occasion today, I have designed this paper bag. Hope you like this bag. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Alicia Malik. On the occasion of Paper Bag Day, I designed this paper bag. Thank you.
Hi, I am Vaishnavi and this is my paper bag.